Hello guys, it's a beautiful week. Good to see you. It's your homeboy Six Figures. So you're welcome to my Six Figures Online Academy YouTube channel, where I share with you exclusively ways you can actually make money from online while still working your 8 to 5 p.m. work day. So it doesn't matter whatever you're doing. So what I'm about to share with you today is going to be review on a stream of income I have been trying out. I've known them for the past 3 years. That's the truth. But I want to show you my 2 to 3 months result with this special company. So without any further ado, if this is your first time, please give a brother a like, subscribe, click the subscription button so that subsequently whenever I drop new content on how to make money online, you'll be among those to be notified. And for my old subscribers, you're welcome. Good to see you. So let's do this. Now I'm going to go straight to my system and show you what I've been up to. Right? So let's do this, guys. Basically, when I started and what I currently have, and I'm going to show you my withdrawals. Alright, so now let's do this quickly. I want to make this video very, very quick as short as possible. So first of all, I want to go to my quick view dashboard. So here is going to actually show us what I've been able to achieve within this short time frame. Right? So at the end of the day, you decide if it's something that you want to do. Probably you have done a lot of things that have not seemed to work over the period of it. So now this, let's see here. Now look at this. Now you can see this ROI that I have here is $410.81. All right. You can see my total commission is $2,035. I've made $2,035. Forget about it, $35. Let's just say I made $2,000. Right? And I'm going to show you when I started. Right? So you can see my total earning is 2,760K, guys. Now, if a Nigerian economy are you able to make this within this let's say 3 months, $2,000 in 3 months, is that good? Like, is that good or is it bad? And currently, you can see I've achieved a rank of Platinum Associate yesterday. That is good. For those achieving this rank, it means I have been actually been paid $100 for achieving this rank. And the next one is the Junior Executive. Now, coming here, you can see I have a total team's volume of I have enrolled 10 people. I have total group of 18. I have total volume of 52,000 K. So it means I've shared this business with over roughly 10 people that have shown interest. Not all of them actually registered, but few of them registered, and trust me, they are happy. All right. So now this is an overview that I've made total commission in this system within just period of 3 months. Now let's go back. Let's go back so that I'll show you something else. Let's go back. I want to go back and show you my incomes. So let me come to my wallet, log into my wallet. So I'll show you how actually this company have been paying. By the way, what's the name of this company? Pardon my manners. It is called Novatech. Novatech. This is a registered company based in the USA. Okay, and I'm going to show you why I'm confident with them because in the USA, please kindly also do your due diligence. All right, now now you can see on the 17th September, I've withdrawn what? $103. So I can tell you every Friday you can see 100, 200, you can see another 100. So when you see cents, it means I've withdrawn that money. It's a withdrawal being made by me. Okay? You can see September, all the Fridays in September, guys, I've been withdrawing, man. I need nobody to take care of the family. So this company have been consistent. You can see I've been making good money here. You can see I made $66 from commission. I made $36 from investment. That's my return of investment. I have a balance of 1,198. Initially, it was 1,200 and something dollars, but they withdrew. We have $25 monthly admin fee payment. All right, so now you can see all these days I've been making withdrawals. So this company has been consistent. So I can actually go back. I can take you back to when I started. Let me go to 5. Like, I want to show you that you can see it's loading. How reliable for me this system is. Alright, so you can see purchase. You can see here, purchase was Well, let's see, June. So actually it was June. So June, July, August, September, right? So this is 3 months. So in 3 months, I've made over $2,000. What did I do? I'm not actually cracking myself. I'm not reading chat. So Novatechfx actually trade. I have a video probably in the link below or within the description link. You're going to see a link for full presentation or check series of my videos, you will find one of the videos I made about Novatech full presentation. This is just an overview of what I have been making in Novatech. So I have a current balance of 190, 1,198. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I purchased, look, I started with $50. $50, it is an affiliate package that if you don't have the money to invest, you can become an affiliate with Novatech, share their business product, they trade crypto forex, they have been reliable. When people join to this system, you get paid. So I actually started with what? With five $50, not refundable. And guess what, guys? I've been able to make this amount of money as I showed you. Now, I'm able to make over $2,000. So it was from this commission I was able to upgrade my package. I funded the account with $800, and guess what? Now I'm sitting on $1,189. So this is come on, check it now. It makes sense now. So I don't know where you're watching me from. Probably you're watching me from the US, you're watching me from Nigeria, you're watching me from Canada, you're watching me from Cameroon, Ghana, wherever you're watching this video from. Probably you have done you have done all this Ponzi scheme, you have tried investing and it is not working. Guys, I would recommend you to check out Novatech. All right. So if you're interested, all you need to do is what? Just click the link below. It's going to take you. Chat me up. I'll put you through. Doesn't matter. People are actually making success with this. You can see what I'm saying. This is what I've made within just 3 months. I started July. I started June, July, August, September. Am I right? Hope I'm even counting the calendar date well. This is 3 months, guys. 3 months, and I've made $2,000 plus. And I'm just starting, guys. So I'm willing to teach whoever is interested to make money from this system. Alright. So basically, there's not much to it. So this is one of the quick reviews. So let me just make to you guys to see that there are good things out there that are reliable. The CEOs are reachable. Alright. You can do the verification of the company. Alright. Just do your due diligence. Alright. So guys, it's actually high time we stop losing ad money. Novatech don't actually promise us high yield investment. What they do is that they trade Monday to Friday. Whatever profit they make, they share with us. Alright, whatever profit they make, they declare to share with us. So for me, it's just a quick review of how my journey with Novatech for the past 3 months has been. For me, it's great, and I'm willing to push this business to the next level. So I'm sharing with you. If you're interested, ask your question in the link below. Alright, and guess what? Reach out to me, ask your question, and trust me, I'll be here to answer. All right. So thank you for your time. God bless you, and I look forward to see you. There's going to be link below. There's going to be link above wherever here. Just search it. Look for the full presentation. Better still, if you want to reach out to me, go ahead, reach out to me. We talk. All right. So don't forget to subscribe, please. Subscribe. Let's grow up this channel. Reach out to people. All right. You can share this video. Drop your link. Sorry, drop your comment. I'll appreciate it. All right. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.